friends, welcome to my one more video, and today we are going to start a science chapter which is sorting materials into groups. So here I have written some points or notes. If you want to see or learn them, you can pause the video and learn. So I am going to start with question number 1. Before starting question number 1, you have to understand what is classification. So classification is the process of grouping things into different groups because of their similarities and dissimilarities, or we can also call them properties. So we classify the things on the seven properties. So they are appearance, texture, hardness, state, soluble or insoluble, and floats or sinks, and transparency. So we classify the the things with these seven terms. So let's start with the first question. To classify the given objects in the basis of give certain basis of given fruits, vegetables, cereals, fibers, and spices. Objects: potato. Potato is already put it in vegetable. Wheat is also done. Cotton is also done. Black pepper. We will put black pepper in chili. Apple is done. Silk will go in fiber. Ladyfinger will go in vegetable. Maize will go in cereals. Chili is done. Orange will go in fruits. Wool will be going in fiber. Turmeric will be going in spice. Rice will be going in cereal. Tomato will be going in fruits. Maize will be going in cereal. Okay, so we are done. What is the second question? What is the hardest known natural substance found on Earth? It's very simple, it's diamond. Okay, so if you will take 1 liter of water in two beakers and dissolve sugar in the first beaker and salt in the second one, find which will dissolve faster. Give the reason for your answer. So if we take some water in two beakers, the sugar will dissolve faster because the sugar molecules or particles are smaller and lighter than salt particles. Name two liquids which dissolve in water. It can be two liquids which dissolve in water: alcohol, and it also can be kerosene. Grounded glass. Grounded glass is an dash material. Grounded glass is an transparent, translucent, or opaque. Normal glass is transparent, but grounded glass is translucent. The gas soluble in water is, there are actually only two gases soluble in water: oxygen and carbon dioxide, because they are very important for the underwater animals and plants, because plants need carbon dioxide to make their food, and oxygen needed by animals. Dash have luster: iron, gold, or you can add any metal. Aluminum also. Grouping of similar things together is called classification. I told you on the above part also. Iron is a dash metal. Iron is an lustrous metal. Vinegar is dash in water. In insoluble or no, it's soluble because vinegar can be dissolved easily in water. It doesn't take too much time and it completely gets invisible in water. But you can also say miscible because for liquids that dissolve in liquids we say miscible. Dash will sink in water, iron or stone, but wood will float on water and leaf, etc. Name two transparent objects. This is very easy. You can do it on your own also. These are very easy. Name two materials that don't have luster. Plastic, paper, wood, etc. Only metals have luster. Name two hard and soft objects. Two hard objects, met gold and silver. Soft objects, sponge and foam. What are the seven properties which help in classification? I told you in the earlier part also. And this I have made a reference table. I am going to fill it now. So if you want to do this yourself, you can try it. So now I am filling the shape one. The solid have a definite shape. Definite. They have a definite shape. And liquids are not definite shape. Not definite. Not definite. And gas also not definite. Gases are gas are also not definite. Okay. And let's go to volume. Volume fixed. Volume for solids is fixed always. And liquid also. And for gas, it is not fixed. Not fixed. Why have I written fixed? Not fixed. Okay. So compressibility. I have only written compress. So solids cannot be compressed. Solids can't be compressed. Liquids com- compressible compressible in small extent, in small amount. Compressible in small, let's say highly compressible. Highly compressible. Highly packing. Party particles are very closely packed particles are loosely packed particles are very loosely packed. Okay, for this video only this much, and please subscribe this channel and share the video, and if you like this video just hit the like button, and bye. Thank you for watching.